In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Remove this panel, just twist these locks to the unlock. This slides up. Just pull this out. Grab this tray and pull this out. If there's anything in there, you want to remove it. Grab this panel, slide that out of the way. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to take this screw out. Loosen that up. Using a straight blade screwdriver, loosen the screw up right here. It's more of a retainer. Pop that out. And then pop this panel up. This piece right here, just grab this. Push it in a little bit, and then it slides outwards. Using a trim tool, just get underneath here, and just pop this up. Using a straight blade screwdriver, pop this cap off. Just slides out. Piece just comes right out. It's just kind of like a push pin. There's a bolt right here. Use a 10mm socket. Take that bolt out. Down below, take this 10mm bolt out. Just use a 10mm socket. That slides off. Take these two bolts out on both sides. Use a 10mm socket. This is Velcroed right here. Just disconnect that from that other seat. And this just pops up. Just grab it, slide it up. You can just set that aside. Using a trim tool, pop this push pin up and slide it out. Using a 10mm socket, there's a bolt in here. Take that out. Grab this panel. Just slide it out. We can pop this light out right here. Slide that out. And then we'll just pull this aside. You can use a bungee cord just to hold that out of the way. You don't have to disconnect it completely from the car. There's a couple wiring clips over the studs. Just pop these off with a trim tool. Get that wiring harness out of the way. Using a 10mm socket, take the nuts off. There's two of them, one here and one higher. Take those nuts off. Disconnect the connector right here. I'm just using a screwdriver, straight blade screwdriver, just a small one. And just pushing on the tab right there. And then disconnect the connector. Just going to use a trim tool just to separate the light a little bit. Just grab it and give it a yank. And there it is. Slide the light assembly in place. With it all lined up, just push it down. Make sure it snaps in. Take the two nuts. Get those started. Tighten those down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down, and you can take these wires where they were over the studs, push those on. Now take the bungee cord off. Just make sure this all lines up. Make sure the seatbelt lines up correctly in the slot. Before you push the panel in place, slide the light in. You can slide that through. Push it down. Now line the panel up. this bolt, get that started. Tighten that down. Push pin right here, push that down. Slide this cover in place. Line these up. Tighten these down. This clip over here, get that started. Tighten that down, take the screw, line that up. Oops. Snug that down. This push pin clip right here, line that up and push it down. This tray, push that in, line that up with the stud, take that push retainer, just push it down. You don't have to use a screwdriver to tighten it, it's just pushing it down is fine. Take this cover, line it up, lock it down, and this smaller cover, you have to slide the back piece in first and then push it down. Slide the tray in place. The side cover and the top cover. Line that up in the back, push it down, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.